Hey guys, welcome to Doing It Dan's Way. I'm here with my daughter Candice and Candice Coolio. And today we have her little Toyota Yaris here. It's 2009, and she's got a dead headlight. And turns out to replace the headlight, you have to remove a bunch of different things, kind of, sorta, and that's what we're going to show you today. Tools you'll need: simple screwdriver. If you have a panel remover tool, that's great. Needle nose pliers work just as well, and a 10mm socket. And time to get started. So what we're going to do is we're going to remove the clips and basically let the hinge come back just a little bit. The bumper come back a little bit towards us, and then we'll come in and unscrew the headlights. Got 3 bolts to take off, and we'll flip them upside down, pull the bulbs out, put them back in again, and put it all back together again. So let's get started. There you go. Push it down. Pull it out. Boom. So you're going to do that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times across the front. And then 2 sides like we showed a minute ago. And then you should be able to see this guy loose. Why don't you go ahead and pull this side out.
Pulling it.
It seems caught. Come in. There you go. There you go. That's all 3. Okay. Now, we'll just pull the whole bumper forward a little bit. It should be loose enough to. Oh, there's clips along here too. So grab here and pull forward, and you should see those release. There you go. Now if you want to take the whole bumper off, you would just take the clips off the bottom, all the way along the bottom, and the whole bumper would just come right off.
Okay,
so that's all that's left. So what we're trying to get to is there's that bolt there, and then behind here, I think it is reconnected. Yeah, there's that one there, and there's another one right about there. Let's go ahead and pull that loose again, because I think it just reclipped itself. So those are 10mm bolts, so we'll go ahead and pull those out.
Is that already loose?
Yeah. So this is another longer.
Okay. I'll just do this one for now since I'm pulling it.
Yeah, you don't ever put anything on a battery. Because that shorts, if you touch that to there, you get a huge explosion.
Really?
Yeah. Yeah, that right there.
Well, we'd have had it on camera though.
So that's your 3rd one. So what I'm doing is I'm lifting up on it, and I'm grabbing the top edge of the hole with this flat screwdriver and just kind of bending back a bit. And that released it. Okay.
Ew. Tell me how to do it so I don't do anything more than I have to. It's really gross. Can I pull this out? What am I doing to pull it out?
That's all you have to do there.
Okay.
And
I
then
don't take out the screw, but I do take out this metal piece?
yeah, just push. You know, hit the thumb and pull it towards you a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Can I pop it up side? I'm running 3 points up and that.
Yeah, that thing just points at the screw. Yep. I'll pull the wire up out of the way though. The wire has to go behind. There you go.
Like that?
Yep. And you push the wire back down. And just bend.
So that's the easy part.
Yeah, it's super simple once you see it. Okay. So it looks just like that. And then you're just going to push the rubber on.
Candice can do it. You can do it too.
Yeah. Okay, I'll grab some of the bulb grease and goober up both sides. It's up here.
Just put on the pokies.
Yeah, just top and bottom of each one of those.
Put it back in.
You'll have to
Place it
kind of
first.
flip it around and start nose down there.
Test it. Right?
Yeah, you just. It's in here. Yeah, that's it. There you go. Okay, so that clip's good. That one
in
looks
place.
good, and then push that one all the way. To put a thumb on it and push up. There it goes.
Cool.
Great.
Now,
So.
screws or screws and clips?
So on this side of the car, we're doing things different. We're going to just set this back just a little bit. I pulled the guts out already, like you saw on the other side, but I didn't disconnect as many connections. I just kind of just opened it up like this, and now I can still get in here. I can still retract the wire. I can set the bulb in without touching it. Now I can close down this little wire loops pretty easily. And you can't do this if the rubber's installed, so you just have to leave the rubber off while you put the new bulb in. And then we're going to put on some bulb grease. And connect it. And we can reposition Looks good. I'm going to test it.
Dun, dun, dun.
Good?
Yes.
Now that all the bolts are in, we can put the bumper back on.
What are you laughing at?
Myself.
Law of grace.
This kit is awesome because it has all the little clips that you tend to lose or break in the process.
But you gotta show it off like it's your makeup. What shade to use? You know, you gotta point out like
That
this
one
one,
fit,
this
that
one
one
right
fit.
here. See, this one right here.
See, look how nice that is. Looks just like these ones right there.
No way.
Okay, and then we need clips for down here too, right?
Yeah.
Okay, Okay guys, that was pretty easy, right? If my daughter and I can do this, anybody can do this. And you'll see we learned a couple things along the way, but the way I showed you was the way to do it. So go for it. Let's do it Dan's way. Let's do it.
With Candice.
A little bit towards me. Okay. Welcome to Doing It Dan's Way. This time, I got my daughter here. Oh, ow. Hi. Sure, in the shot.